Elimination rules in effect. Gain a fall on your opposition to shrink the field down until you're the last one standing. Set for action, we have John Cena, CM Punk, Jey Uso, and Cody Rhodes.
And this is going to be a physically grueling match. Just hoping you have enough to outlast the rest of the competition.
And some say the only limit in a no DQ is your own imagination.
Right, so Saxton wouldn't stand a chance. For everyone else, though, the sky is the limit. Anything you wish you could do to get a win, you could probably arrange it here. So my advice is to hold nothing back. Ooh, glass-shattering shot. That's gonna knock your lights out. Great way to completely disrupt the momentum and buy yourself some time. Locked in the gut wrench. Suplex. Caught with a punch. Fall on a punch. Oh, and it's reversed. Got that suplex. Making it look easy. Stomping away. Suplex. And coming down hard with the mega bomb. Incoming megaphone. Big blow could be felt throughout the arena. Inverted vertical suplex. Turn down the lights, kick everybody out. Now we're getting an up-close and personal view of this fight. And that can end up putting CM Punk on shaky legs from the top rope. Oh, no, that's big and pays for it. Did you see that? Risking it all and taking an awful fall. Ooh. Black kick. Oh, man, targeting the leg. Clothesline. No doubt Cody is having trouble here. Yeah, some flaws in Cody's game plan are being exposed. Go driver. Measured up and foot strike. It's out of time. Cody toyed with his opponent a little bit. Coming straight down with the megaphone. CM Punk escapes the attack. Oh, that hurt. Punk wasting no motion on the counter. Snapmare takedown. Ooh, what a damaging blow. We've seen that look before. Jey in position.
Gotcha, bitch.
Finds the counter for Jey.
Cena has his opponent up. Reposition.
Seems like this match is becoming something of an uphill battle for him.
Extreme Rules takes an intense toll on the body. The longer this match goes, the worse it gets. Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
And this one's taken to the outside.
Blindside shot with the megaphone. Fuck! Sharp elbow.
Under the apron and out taking out the ladder.
More than that, Cole. Making some kind of bridge. I've never seen this end well. Big time powerbomb.
Holy cow! Devastating contact with the megaphone.
From way up,
Down Rhodes.
they got all of that. Just taking flight and soaring through the sky. We are seeing a lot of guts, a lot of determination out there. You have to wonder where that one turning point to end this will come. Spear! Spear! Will Jey end this?
Float over into a DDT.
Readjusting the furniture. We know how this ends.
John Cena.
Position for Rhodes.
And guys, that's going to be it for Rhodes. He's eliminated.
stairs. He intercepts that attack with a knee right to the stomach. Swinging the elbow to halt the offense. Incoming.
Crash landing powerbomb.
Sliding back into the ring.
A splintering shot with that sixth string.
Elbow drop. Piercing. He's leaving the ring now. No countouts to worry about.
Muscles up their opponent.
Been driven down. Emerald Flosion.
I don't know how much more damage can be done now.
It's time to catch that second, maybe even third wind. Half Nelson applied. Into a neck breaker. Phenomenal.
It pulls off the reversal. Quick thinking that time. John Cena. This is vintage Cena.
Cena letting his opponent know who's in charge here.
And now he's back into the ring.
Vicious, downright savage blood right there.
Big match, John.
Cena showing that trademark ruthless aggression.
Cena with a face buster.
The WWE Universe showing the love for these superstars who have given them so much tonight.
Cena warded him off.
Here's Cena.
Careless of the attitude adjustment.
Cena connected there.
Jarring punch.
He dives out of danger.
Michinoku driver.
Not again.
Yes! You can't see me.
Double shuffle.
And he's pulled the ring apron up, looking under there for something.
Pop with a microphone. Whatever he does with that, it's going to be entertaining.
John Cena.
Hazardous situation for Cena.
Eliminated. Wow. He's eliminated. Punch paid home. The roar of this crowd has been building, and they are at a fever pitch right now.
You can feel the anticipation growing with every second that ticks past in this match. This is what you do when you're looking to do more than win a match. You're looking to hurt someone.
Just wailing away with that weapon like there's no tomorrow. This is getting damn dangerous.
Eludes the attack.
Tossed by the neck. Now we see Jey Uso. Hard ride to the outside.
He's looking to take this fight to a whole new level. Things are at ringside now.
And coming down hard with the megaphone. Driving down with the axe handle. Oh, sent crashing right into the ring post.
Looks like he's coming back in.
Shattering. Jey nailed all of it. Cena telegraphed that.
John Cena looking to end this. Attitude adjustment.
Jey is down and out. Brutal impact into the corner.
Producing a trampling.
I don't know what he's got in mind heading to the floor here.
Taking to the floor, and he's got no worries about
passing. Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Bionic elbow. With all these blows to the head, he has to be disoriented.
I think that's the plan, Cole. Trying to keep him on the back foot.
A show of confidence from John Cena. He averts the
Will Jay take advantage?
Main event, Jey Uso firing up. How in the world do these superstars have anything left at this point?
The arena's thinking the same thing. All eyes are focused on this moment.
A light tube? He's gone mad. That's the only way to explain it.
Able to slip out of that one. Looking for a belly-to-back suplex into the neck breaker. Beautiful.
And he throws the opposition back into the ring. Dragging him away going.
Yeah, Jey able to unleash some hellacious offense to bring things to his favor.
Crash and burn.
A terribly risky move, and it did not pay off.
Icarus could have done it better.
And a well-executed move we just saw there.
Oh my gosh, what impact!
Man, glass went flying everywhere.
Elbow drop. Piercing. John Cena with a rough blow there. And Cena now is dominating.
Cena putting himself in the driver's seat. We're starting to see the effect of those continued attacks to the core.
Yeah, I think this is going to take more than... We're about to see it.
Adjustment.
Look at Jey, his lights on. Victory, this one is over.
Here is your winner.
What an impressive performance and victory, surviving against every other superstar in this match.
We saw something special from each of these men tonight.
I thought all four of them had a shot at winning this match.